Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to change your password and notification settings at connect.dataczar.com. So we're going to go to dataczar.com, we're going to click Login, get our username and our password. Okay, so that's going to take us to Dashboard on the main menu. Let's get rid of that. We'll go full screen. So from Dashboard to access your password and notification settings, to change them, just click on your name at the top right of your screen. And there's a drop-down arrow, and click on Profile. If you're on mobile view, just go to your main menu and scroll down and look for Profile on mobile view. But this is it. This is where you go. This is where you change your password, and then any of your notifications, you can adjust how you would like to receive your notifications right here. Okay, so that's pretty simple. Just click on the name at the top right, click on Profile, and you can adjust your password. You can also adjust how you receive your notifications. And while we're here, let's go ahead and click on our new Help button. This used to be labeled Education for those of you that are familiar with this button. It's now called Help. We made some additions to this button and changed the name of it. And you can view our videos here. So we have our featured videos on the left, we have our recent videos on the right, and we have a getting started a video if you're new to our platform. There's also this, well, the help button is where you start at, but there's also a help page. By clicking on that, it takes you to all of our FAQ. So let's go ahead and tab on back here. So there's our new help button. And let's go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how to change your password and notification settings with Dataczar Connect.